Welcome to IMCWire, your gateway to premium press release distribution and online visibility. Today, we're going to show you exactly how you can get featured on Mashable with IMCWire in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Start with IMCWire. Visit our official website IMCWire. Here, you'll find easy-to-use packages designed for entrepreneurs, startups, and businesses who want to amplify their reach across top-tier media platforms. Step 2. Craft your press release. Create a compelling press release highlighting your brand, story, or announcement. Don't worry if you're not sure how to start. Our team at IMCWire offers guidance to make sure your press release is professional and newsworthy. Step 3. Select the Mashable feature option. Once your press release is ready, choose the distribution package that includes Mashable. This ensures your story reaches millions of readers through one of the world's most influential digital platforms. Step 4. Submit and relax. Upload your press release to IMCWire. Our editorial team reviews, optimizes, and distributes it directly to Mashable, along with other major outlets. Step 5. Get published and share. In just a short time, you'll receive a live link to your published article on Mashable. Use this to boost your credibility, share with your audience, and showcase your business as a trusted brand. Call to action. With IMCWire, getting featured on Mashable has never been easier. Start today and take your brand visibility to the next level. Visit IMCWire now.